Hi, everybody, and thank you for stopping by. I'm going to be doing a different type of video today. I thought it might be helpful to people on my site, which my channel with YouTube is my name, Mary Lou Latwell. YouTube is my channel, and I download, as you can see, videos, and I'm always looking for great music to back up my painting when I'm doing my paintings. And as everybody knows, your music cannot be copyright, or YouTube will put a warning flag on your account, which allows you to still video and post. But if you ever do want to monetize and have ads on your system, you're not going to be able to, or you will, and any rights that you happen to receive will go to those artists of the music. Well, looking, I found the most fantastic music selection, which I'm putting on my system right now for you. It's called Tune Pocket. I just love their source of music. They have so much variety. It's so music catching to the ear, and you have a lot of different variety, fast, slow, so many I can't begin to tell you. But the process of downloading the license certificate, when you become a member of Tune Pocket, you have the ability to do that. And it took me a little time because everybody runs off of different systems and such, obviously. But I found the way to do it, and it's very easy, very simple. And I can't say enough about Tune Pocket. I really do. I just love listening to it on my own. So I thought it might be helpful to some other ones that would like to do this on their videos. So what I have here for you is, before I go into the quick how-to here, I use an editing system called InShot, and that's where I'm pulling my editing through that. But I also do it right directly when I download it into YouTube. It depends your system, but the one I'm using is I videotape it and then I edit through InShot, InShot. But this is how I do the Tune Pocket part, and this is the part that I love. So once I pick my songs, you go out there, you join, and it's very reasonable. I'll let you decide all that. But once you download your music, what you like, it downloads it into my system under the file of files. I'm using an Apple system. I can't really speak for Android or all the other different systems that's out there. Very simple with my Apple, and I'm sure it can't be too different for the other systems. So under the file, that's where it goes, and that's where these license contracts, which you can see, I hope I'm not going to have it all blurry on you. And what I do for the process to get this is what I wanted to show you. So after I go into my Tune Pocket again, I drop down the menu. I first go to their actual license agreement. I click that one open, and I copy and paste before my songs on my description page of the YouTube. You have to write a description. That's where I do all this. I list all the songs that I've picked by their name, and next to each song, I first of all at the top copy this piece just by holding, which I'm sure you know, copy, paste, and that'll be in there. After that part is done, then you want to go back in, and you're going to go in under download history. Let me get that in there where you can see it. You can see it's a third from the bottom. Download history. If you click on that, these are all the songs that I personally have downloaded from YouTube, Tune Pocket, excuse me, and is a couple of screens full of them. So what I do is when I have a song that needs to have the license, I'll jump into here, and if it was the song of this one here, Life is Fun, I'm so sorry, I'm trying to get it clear on you here. So all you're going to do is push it down under your PDF file, hold it for a second, and then you get your, would you like it downloaded? I push download. 2 seconds, click over to your file on your system again, right up here. And I want to show you, I'm going to back it up. These are all the songs. The ones with this is the actual song. On the bottom, usually collects on my system, it goes to the bottom, you have your license. Everything I downloaded, this is the license I just downloaded, which you can see is Life is Fun, is what it's called right here. If I can get it to pop open for you. There you go, Life is Fun. So all I need for YouTube, I don't need to do that whole page. I'll just sit there and I will copy it. And then what I do is go over to this is the actual upload into YouTube. Under the song, this isn't the particular song, but if that was the song, I've already copy and pasted that, and all I'm going to do here is paste it, and there's your license certificate. I have to pull it down here, and you can see that it has copied it in there. That's what you need. Without that in there, YouTube will not know, and a lot of times they'll kick you out with copyright issues. These songs are great. They're all 99% ready to use as far as being non-copyright claims. I think there's a file out there that has those also listed for you. But that's the process that I use to download these licenses into YouTube. Once you do your update into YouTube, all that info is there. It lives under your description part of your page that you're videotaping and you're putting out there under the YouTube site. I'm hoping this is explaining it clearly for you. If you have any questions or concerns in regards to this, feel free to send me an email. I'll be glad to try to explain it. You can also go under my YouTube channel site. I'll put that on this little video at the top. Feel free to send me a comment. I'll answer. I always answer all my comments. And I hope it helps you, because before I had Tune Pocket, I was lost. I didn't have the correct music. I couldn't get the licenses. Even though I paid under my iTunes for these songs, I wasn't stealing them by any means. They still don't let you download it. It's kind of stinky. But I'm hoping very much that this is something that'll help you. Thank you very much for watching. And do me a favor, just go out there and see how you like the music under Tune Pocket. I think you're gonna like it. They're really cute songs. Beautiful music, really. Thank you very much. From Lulu to you. Have a great day. Bye.